Are you tired of scrolling through Google News without earning a dime? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Google News using simple and effective strategies. So, stay tuned and learn how to turn your daily news browsing into a profitable venture. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's topic is all about how to make money with Google News. As you know, Google News is a popular platform for getting the latest news and updates from around the world. But did you know that you can actually make money from it too? Before we dive into the different ways to make money with Google News, let's first have a brief explanation of how Google News works. Basically, Google News is an aggregator of news content from thousands of sources online. The platform uses advanced algorithms to sort and organize news articles based on various factors like relevance, location, and timeliness. When you search for a specific topic on Google News, the platform displays a list of articles from different sources that are related to your search query. This is where the opportunities to make money come in, and we'll be discussing them in detail later on in the video. So, whether you're a blogger, content creator, or just someone who's interested in earning some extra cash online, this video is for you. Stick around and let's explore the different ways to make money with Google News. Now let's discuss the basics of Google News. To help you understand better, we'll be using illustrations, examples, and steps. Firstly, let's talk about what Google News is. Here's an illustration to help you visualize it. Imagine a newsstand that carries thousands of newspapers from different sources worldwide. Google News is like that newsstand, but it's digital. It aggregates news content from different sources online and presents it to users in one place. When you visit Google News, you'll see a list of the latest news articles from different sources worldwide. Here's an example. Let's say you want to learn more about the recent election results in your state. You can type "election results," your state name, on the Google News search bar, and it will present you with a list of articles related to your search query. Now, let's talk about how Google News works. Here's an illustration to help you understand it better. Imagine that each article on Google News is a book on a shelf, and Google's algorithms are the librarians who sort and organize the books based on different criteria. These criteria include relevance to the search query, timeliness, location, and user interests. Google's algorithms analyze the content of each article and determine its relevance to the search query based on these criteria. Staying up to date with news trends is essential for any news content creator or blogger. Here's an example. Let's say you're a blogger who covers technology news. Staying up to date with the latest tech news trends will help you create content that resonates with your audience. You can also use Google Trends to stay up to date with the latest news trends. Google Trends is a free tool that allows you to track the popularity of search terms over time. It's an excellent way to see what people are searching for and what's trending on Google. Lastly, let's talk about the different ways to access Google News. Here are the steps to access Google News through your web browser. 1. Open your web browser and go to www.news.google.com. 2. You'll see a list of the latest news articles on the homepage. 3. Use the search bar to find specific news articles related to your search query. Here are the steps to download the Google News app. 1. Open the Google Play Store or App Store on your Android or iOS device. 2. Search for Google News in the search bar. 3. Click on the app and install it on your device. That wraps up this section on understanding Google News. In the next section, we'll be discussing the different ways to make money with Google News. So, don't go away. It's time now to learn how to make money with Google News. In the previous section, we talked about understanding Google News and its importance. Now, in this section, we will be discussing the different ways to make money with Google News. Section 2. Ways to make money with Google News. Google News is a great platform for news content creators to monetize their content. There are several ways to make money with Google News, including 1. Using Google AdSense to earn money from your blog or website. 2. Affiliate marketing through Google News. 3. Creating sponsored content. 4. Joining a news affiliate program. 5. Selling news-related products. Let's explore each of these methods in more detail. 1. Using Google AdSense to earn money from your blog or website. Google AdSense is a free tool that allows you to place ads on your website or blog. When someone clicks on these ads, you earn a percentage of the revenue that the advertiser pays to Google. To use AdSense, you need to have a website or blog that meets Google's guidelines for quality and content. Once you've created your website or blog and added some content, you can sign up for AdSense and start placing ads on your site. Here are some steps to get started with Google AdSense. Step 1. Create a website or blog with high-quality content. Step 2. Sign up for a Google AdSense account. Step 3. Place ads on your website or blog. Step 4. Drive traffic to your site to increase ad revenue. 1. Affiliate marketing through Google News. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote a product or service and earn a commission for each sale that you make. You can use Google News to promote affiliate products related to news topics. Here are some steps to get started with affiliate marketing. Step 1. Find an affiliate marketing program that is related to your news niche. Step 2. Sign up for the program and receive an affiliate link. Step 3. Promote the product or service on your website or blog. Step 4. Earn a commission for each sale made through your affiliate link. 1. Creating sponsored content. Sponsored content is content that's paid for by a company or advertiser. You can create sponsored content related to news topics and publish it on your website or blog. When creating sponsored content, it's essential to disclose that it's sponsored to comply with Google's guidelines. You can also use a tool like Google Ad Manager to manage your sponsored content and track its performance. Here are some steps to get started with creating sponsored content. Step 1. Find sponsors that are interested in advertising on your website or blog. Step 2. Create sponsored content that's relevant to your news niche. Step 3. Disclose that the content is sponsored. Step 4. Publish the sponsored content on your website or blog. 1. Joining a news affiliate program. News affiliate programs are programs that allow you to earn a commission for referring users to news websites or apps. You can join news affiliate programs like CNN, ABC News, or Reuters and promote their content on your website or blog. Here are some steps to get started with joining a news affiliate program. Step 1. Research news affiliate programs related to your news niche. Step 2. Sign up for the program and receive an affiliate link. Step 3. Promote the news content on your website or blog. Step 4. Earn a commission for each referral made through your affiliate link. 1. Selling news-related products. News-related products could include books, magazines, merchandise, or other products related to news topics. You can sell these products on your website or blog related to news topics, such as a book on current events or a magazine subscription. Here are some steps to get started with selling news-related products. Step 1. Research news-related products related to your news niche. Step 2. Sign up for an e-commerce platform like Shopify or WooCommerce. Step 3. Add your products to your online store. Step 4. Promote your products on your website or blog. Step 5. Fulfill orders and earn revenue from sales. As you can see, there are several ways to make money with Google News. By using a combination of these methods, you can maximize your revenue and monetize your news content effectively. To recap, the ways to make money with Google News include using Google AdSense, affiliate marketing, creating sponsored content, joining a news affiliate program, and selling news-related products. In this final section, we'll be sharing some tips on how to maximize your earnings. Let's take a closer look at each tip. The first tip is to create quality content that is relevant to your audience. Your readers or viewers should find your content informative, engaging, and valuable. By producing high-quality content, you'll be able to build a loyal following, and they will be more likely to share your content, which can help to increase your reach. For example, if you have a blog or website that covers financial news, you could create content that provides expert analysis on market trends or offers practical advice on investing. By providing valuable insights, your readers will see you as a trusted source of information, and they'll be more likely to return to your site for more. The second tip is to utilize SEO strategies to increase traffic to your website or blog. SEO, or search engine optimization, refers to the practice of optimizing your content to rank higher in search engine results pages. By optimizing your content for specific keywords, you'll be able to attract more organic traffic to your site. For example, if you're writing a news article about a recent event, you could use relevant keywords in the title and throughout the article. This will help search engines like Google to understand the content of your page and rank it higher in search results. The third tip is to promote your content through social media and other platforms. Social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and LinkedIn can be great tools for promoting your content and driving traffic to your website or blog. For example, you could share a link to your latest article on Twitter or Facebook and encourage your followers to read it and share it with their followers. This can help to increase your reach and attract more readers to your site. The fourth tip is to stay up to date with news trends to ensure you're always providing relevant content. News trends can change rapidly, and it's important to stay on top of the latest developments in your niche to ensure your content remains relevant and engaging. For example, if you're covering the technology sector, you'll need to stay up to date with the latest gadgets, software, and trends. By staying on top of the latest news, you'll be able to create content that is both timely and relevant. The final tip is that consistency is key when it comes to building a following and increasing your earnings. You should aim to publish new content regularly, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. By publishing content consistently, you'll be able to build a following, and your readers will come to expect new content from you. For example, if you're running a news website, you could aim to publish new articles every day at the same time. This will help to establish a routine for your readers and encourage them to return to your site regularly. So there you have it, our tips for maximizing your earnings with Google News. By creating quality content, utilizing SEO strategies, promoting your content through social media, staying up to date with news trends, and being consistent, you'll be well on your way to building a successful news website or blog. So, to recap, we've covered a lot of ground in this video on how to make money with Google News. We've talked about understanding how Google News works, the various ways you can make money through Google News, and some tips for maximizing your earnings. Now, it's time for you to take action and start implementing these strategies. Remember, creating quality content that's relevant to your audience and utilizing SEO strategies are key to increasing traffic to your website or blog. Don't forget to promote your content through social media and other platforms, and always stay up to date with news trends to ensure you're providing relevant content. Consistency is also key when it comes to building a following and increasing your earnings. So, keep at it, and you'll see results. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video for more tips on how to make money with Google News. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.